There are 51 tiger reserves in India which are governed by Project Tiger, which is administered by the National Tiger Conservation Authority, that is NTCA. India is home to 80% of tigers in the world. In 2006, there were 1,411 tigers, which increased to 1,706 in 2010, 2,226 in 2014, and 2,967 in 2018. All the states and union territories have tiger reserves except Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Gujarat, Sikkim, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, and Tripura. In this video, we go through each state's tiger reserves in detail. The first one is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand has two tiger reserves, Corbett Tiger Reserve and Rajaji Tiger Reserve. The Corbett Tiger Reserve is situated in Nainital and Pauri district of Uttarakhand. The park encompasses the Patli Doon Valley formed by the Ramganga River. It has a humid subtropical and highland climate. The Rajaji Tiger Reserve is located in Haridwar district of Uttarakhand and it covers an area of 100 square kilometers. It was declared a tiger reserve in 2015. Next we have Uttar Pradesh, which has two tiger reserves, namely Pilibhit Tiger Reserve and Dudhwa Tiger Reserve. Pilibhit is one of the few well-forested districts in Uttar Pradesh. The Pilibhit Tiger Reserve came into existence in 2008. It is home to a large number of rare and endangered species which include tiger, leopard, swamp deer, hispid hare, Bengal floricans, etc. The Dudhwa Tiger Reserve is located in the Terai of Uttar Pradesh. The area was established in 1958 as a wildlife sanctuary. Next we have Bihar, which has only one tiger reserve, namely Valmiki Tiger Reserve, which is in the West Champaran district of Bihar. Next comes Jharkhand, which also has only one tiger reserve, that is Palamau Tiger Reserve. The Palamau Tiger Reserve is the only Project Tiger Reserve area in Jharkhand and is one of the 9 original tiger reserves in India. West Bengal. West Bengal has two tiger reserves. The first one is Sundarbans Tiger Reserve. It is located in the West Bengal and the area part of the world's largest delta formed by the mighty rivers Ganga, Brahmaputra and Meghna. It is also the world's largest estuarine forest. The next tiger reserve in West Bengal is Buksa Tiger Reserve. It is a tiger reserve in northern West Bengal covering an area of 760 square kilometers. In altitude, it ranges from 60 meters in the Gangetic Plains to 1750 meters bordering the Himalayas in the north. At least 284 bird species inhabit the reserve. Mammals present include Asian elephant, gaur, sambar deer, clouded leopard and Indian leopard. Next comes Rajasthan, which has 3 tiger reserves. The first tiger reserve is Sariska Tiger Reserve. It is located at Kankwadi Fort near Alwar on Delhi-Jaipur highway. The bird life comprises of the peafowl, grey partridge, quail, sand grouse, tree pie, white-breasted kingfisher, golden woodpecker and great Indian horned owl. Next is Ranthambore Tiger Reserve. It is situated in Sawai Madhopur district of southeastern Rajasthan and was declared Project Tiger Reserves in 1973. Became a national park in 1980. The last is Mukundra Hill Tiger Reserve. It is located in the Kota district of Rajasthan and was declared a tiger reserve in 2012. It is spread over an area of 250 square kilometers. The next state is Madhya Pradesh, which has 6 tiger reserves. The first is Panna Tiger Reserve. It is a national park located in Panna and Chhatarpur district of Madhya Pradesh. Cheetal, the Chinkara, the Sambar and the sloth bear are the animals found here. The next is Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve. It is located in the Umaria districts of Madhya Pradesh. Bandhavgarh was declared a national park in 1968. The park has a large breeding population of leopards and various species of deer. The next is Kanha Tiger Reserve. It is a national park and a tiger reserve in Mandla and Balaghat districts of Madhya Pradesh. Originally established as the Banjar Valley Sanctuary in 1935. It became a national park in 1955 and was enlarged in 1964. The fourth is Sanjay Dubri Tiger Reserve. It is a wildlife paradise located in Siddhi district of Madhya Pradesh. This tiger reserve comprises Sanjay National Park and Dubri Wildlife Sanctuary, both of which cover an area of about 831 square kilometers. The fifth is Pench Tiger Reserve. It is in Seoni district in Madhya Pradesh, which is one of the major protected areas of Satpura Maikal ranges of the Central Highlands. It was included in the Project Tiger in 1992 to 1993. It has a contiguous forest cover with Kana Tiger Reserve and Pench Tiger Reserve. The area of the Pench Tiger Reserve and the surrounding area is the real story area of Rudyard Kipling's famous The Jungle Book. It spreads in two states, that is Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Last but not the least is Satpura Tiger Reserve, which is located in the Hoshangabad district, which is newly named as Namadapuram of Madhya Pradesh in India. The next state is Chhattisgarh, which has 3 tiger reserves. The first is Achanakmar Tiger Reserve. It is a wildlife park in Chhattisgarh. The houses in which a number of endangered animal species including leopards, Bengal tigers and wild bison live. The second is Indravati Tiger Reserve. It is a national park located in the Dantewada district of Chhattisgarh. It is home of the rare wild buffalo as well as an alternative home for the swamp deer. It is the finest and most famous wildlife parks of Chhattisgarh. Udandi Sitandi Tiger Reserve. It came into existence in 2009 and covers an area of about 1842 square kilometers. It is located in Dhamtari district of Chhattisgarh. The next state is Odisha, which has 2 tiger reserves. The first is Simlipal Tiger Reserve. It was formerly the hunting resort for the royalty. Located in the Mayurbhanj district of Odisha, Simlipal Tiger Reserve is a major tourist attraction for the tigers. Second is Satkoshia Tiger Reserve. It is a tiger reserve located in the Angul district of Odisha, covering an area of 988.30 square kilometers. It is located where the Mahanadi River passes through a 22-kilometer long gorge in the eastern Ghats of mountains. Satkoshia Gorge Wildlife Sanctuary was created in 1976. Satkoshia Tiger Reserve was designed in 2007. It comprises of the Satkosia Gorge Wildlife Sanctuary and the adjacent Besipali Wildlife Sanctuary. The next state is Maharashtra, which has 5 tiger reserves. The first is Melghat Tiger Reserve. Melghat was declared a tiger reserve and was among the first 9 tiger reserves notified in 1973 to 74 under the Project Tiger. It is located in northern part of Amravati district of Maharashtra. The second is Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve. It is located in the Chandrapur district of Maharashtra and is the oldest national park in the state. It was declared a Project Tiger Reserve in 1993. Third is Navegaon Nagzira Tiger Reserve. It was declared a tiger reserve in 2013 and is located in Gondia and Bandara district of Maharashtra. It covers an area of about 1895 square kilometers. Fourth is Boar Tiger Reserve. It is wildlife sanctuary which was declared as a tiger reserve in 2014. It is located near Himgiri in Wardha district in Maharashtra. The reserve covers an area of 138.12 square kilometers. Last but not the least is Sahyadri Tiger Reserve. It is a reserve in the state of Maharashtra. It was created by the Government of India in 2008. It is located in the Sahyadri ranges of the Western Ghats of Maharashtra. The area is spread over 4 districts, namely Satara Mahabaleshwar, Moda Satara, and Patam Tehsil Sangli, Kolhapur, and Ratnagiri. It covers an area of about 1166 square kilometers. The next state is Andhra Pradesh, which has only one tiger reserve, namely Nagarjuna Sagar Shri Salem Tiger Reserve. It is the only tiger reserve in Andhra Pradesh in which the Krishna River flows through the reserve over a distance of 130 kilometers. Next we have Karnataka, which has 5 tiger reserves. The first is Bhadra Tiger Reserve. Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary is in Chikmagaluru town in Karnataka. The sanctuary is surrounded by Mullayanagiri, Hebigiri, Gangagiri and Baba Banduri Giri hills and has the tributaries of the Bhadra river flowing through it. The second is Bandipur Nagarhole Tiger Reserve. It is located in the Chamarajanagar district of southern Karnataka. Third is Nagarhole Tiger Reserve. It is declared as 37th tiger reserve in India. This national park is located in Kodagu and Mysore district in Karnataka. It is also considered as World Heritage Site by UNESCO. 3 of the parks, namely Bandipur, Mudumalai and Vayanand Wildlife Sanctuary are adjacent to the Nagarhole National Park. Bengal tiger, Indian leopard, sloth bear, striped hyena are the predators that can be spotted in the park. Herbivores like elephants, cheetal, sambar deer and barking deer is also spotted around the national park. Fourth is Dandeli Anshi Tiger Reserve. It is located in Uttarakhand district in Karnataka. The park is habitat of Bengal tiger. It is spread across an area of 875 kilometers. It was declared a tiger reserve in the year 2007. Fifth is Biligiri Ranganand Temple Tiger Reserve. It is located in Karnataka and was declared a tiger reserve in 2011. It is spread over an area of 575 square kilometers. The next we have Tamil Nadu, which has 5 tiger reserves, namely Mudumalai Tiger Reserve, the Mudumalai National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary, now also declared a tiger reserve, lies on the northwest side of the Nilgiri Hills in Nilgiri district of Tamil Nadu. Second is Kalakad Mundatharai Tiger Reserve. It is located in the southern western Ghats in Tirunelveli district and Kanyakumari district in Tamil Nadu. It is the second largest protected area in Tamil Nadu. Third, Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve. It is located along the Western Ghats in the Erode district of Tamil Nadu. It was declared a tiger reserve in 2013 and is spread over an area of 1408 square kilometers. The fourth is Annamalai Tiger Reserve. This was earlier known as Indira Gandhi Wildlife Sanctuary and National Park and previously as Annaimalai Wildlife Sanctuary is a protected area located in the Annaimalai Hills of Polachi and Valparai taluks of Coimbatore district and Udumalai Pattai taluk in Tirupur district, Tamil Nadu. The last tiger reserve is Srivilliputhur Megamalai Tiger Reserve. It is the fifth tiger reserve in Tamil Nadu. Srivilliputhur Grizzled Giant Squirrel Sanctuary and Megamalai Wildlife Sanctuary have been combined to create the tiger reserve. It was declared as tiger reserve in February 2021. Next we have Kerala, which has two tiger reserves. The first is Parambikulam Tiger Reserve. Parambikulam Wildlife Sanctuary is a protected area in Chittur Taluk in Palakkad district of Kerala. It was established in 1973 as wildlife sanctuary. Parambikulam Wildlife Sanctuary was declared as part of Parambikulam Tiger Reserve in 2010. It is in the Sungam range of hills between the Annamalai Hills and Neliampanthi Hills. The second is Periyar Tiger Reserve. Periyar is a protected area and a nature reserve in Kerala set high in the mountains of the park of the Western Ghats at the border to Tamil Nadu. The park is often called by the name Thekadai also. Next we have Telangana, which has two tiger reserves. The first is Kaval Tiger Reserve. It is located at Janaram Mandal of Mankerial district, that is Old Adilabad district of Telangana. It covers an area of 2015.44 square kilometers. The second is Amrabad Tiger Reserve. It is located in Mahbubnagar and Nalgonda district of Telangana. It is spread over 2800 square kilometers and is the largest tiger reserve of India. Earlier, it was part of Nagarjuna Sagar Sri Salem Tiger Reserve. Next is Arunachal Pradesh, which has three tiger reserves. The first is Pakki Tiger Reserve. It is declared as a tiger reserve in 1919 to 2000. It lies in the foothills of the eastern Himalaya in the East Kameng district of Arunachal Pradesh and is also known as Pakhui Tiger Reserve. It falls within the Eastern Himalaya biodiversity hotspot and is known for its amazing sightings of four resident hornbill species. It is home to over 2000 species of plants, 300 species of birds, 40 species of mammals, 30 species of amphibians, and 36 species of reptiles. Many species of the flora and fauna are globally threatened, and it is one of the last remaining strongholds left for these species. The second is Namdapha Tiger Reserve. It is the largest protected area in the Eastern Himalaya biodiversity hotspot and is located in Arunachal Pradesh. It is also the largest national park in India in terms of area. The third is Kamlang Tiger Reserve. The Kamlang Wildlife Sanctuary, established in 1989, is rich in flora and fauna. It is situated in the Lohit district of the northeastern Indian state of Arunachal Pradesh. The park is named after the Kamlang river which flows through it. It is the 50th tiger reserve in India and covers an area of 783 square kilometers. It is declared a tiger reserve in 2016. Next we have Assam, which has 4 tiger reserves. The first is Manas Tiger Reserve. It is a UNESCO Heritage Site National Park, Tiger Reserve, Elephant Reserve in Assam. It is located in Himalayan foothills with the part extended into Bhutan. Its two major biomes are grassland biome and forest biome. The second is Nameri Tiger Reserve. It is a national park located in the foothills of the eastern Himalayas in the Sonitpur district of Assam. This is excellent elephant country and ideal habitat for a host of another animals including the tiger. The third is Kaziranga Tiger Reserve. It is a national park and World Heritage Site in Assam located in edge of Eastern Himalayas biodiversity hotspot. Kaziranga National Park is in the Golaghat and Neogaon district of Assam. It was known for great horned rhino. The fourth is Orang Tiger Reserve. It is located in Assam and spread over Darsane and Sonitpur district. It is declared a tiger reserve in 2016 and is the 49th tiger reserve in the country. It has the smallest core of 78 square kilometers. The last state to be discussed is Mizoram, which has only one tiger reserve, namely Dampa Tiger Reserve. It is the largest wildlife sanctuary in Mizoram, which was notified in 1985 and was declared a tiger reserve in 1994. In the Mizoram Lusai Hills at an altitude range of 800 to 1100 meters. It is situated in the western part of Mizoram on the international border with Bangladesh about 127 kilometers from Aizawl.